Okay, now it's time to round to the thousands. Notice we have 4,428. So I'm going to put this down right here and we're going to count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4,000. We have 1, 2, 3, 400. 2 tens, which is 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we want to round to the thousands this time. Remember, the thousands is 1, 2, 3, 4 places over. So this time the helper becomes the hundreds. All right, so we look at the hundreds, and if we can find 5 or more, then we bump up to the next thousand. So right now we have 4,000, okay? But we're going to use the hundreds place to actually help us decide what we should do. Here's the thousands place. It's right next to that comma. So I circle my helper. My helper is a 4. All right, I already know that if it's 5 or greater, we bump up. But this isn't greater than 5, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it's not greater than 5, all of these become a 0. And we just drop our 4 down. So this is closest to 4,000. Closest to 4,000. All right, we're ready for our next one. The next one is 2,641, and we want to round this to the nearest thousand. So again, here's my 2,000. I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40. And we have, whoops, we got an extra one. We have 1, 1. All right, so if I want to round to the thousands, my 100 is my helper. So I look right here. This is my thousands place. So I have to decide, is it closer to 2,000 or closer to 3,000? I circle my helper. And then remember, if this is 5 or greater, I bump up, or less than 5, I stay down. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can count out 5 of these. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Because this is greater than 5, it is going to tell my thousands to move up and become 3,000. It's closest to 3,000. As a reminder, when we round to the nearest thousand, we are going out 4 places. My ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and we look for that comma. We're going out 4 places. And then we're circling the helper, which is right beside here in the hundreds place. And if this 100 is 5 or greater, it tells my 1,000 to bump up. That's all for thousands.